7 Unbelievable AI Tools Redefining Possibilities. Make money online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to source for unlocking the potential of money-making websites. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping our lives. Stay tuned as we unveil 7 incredible AI tools that can take your content creation to the next level. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a game changer in our daily lives. In this video, we'll explore 7 AI tools with unique abilities that can revolutionize the way you approach content creation. Whether you're a content creator looking to streamline your process or a business owner aiming to produce compelling content without the need for external hires. First up, let's talk about Runway ML. This powerhouse is your all-in-one solution for content creation, boasting 30-plus AI magic tools, from erasing and replacing image elements to generating content from scratch with an AI image generator. Runway helps you ideate, generate, and edit content effortlessly. Stay ahead of the curve and try out this powerful tool that's constantly evolving with new features. Now, on to my personal favorite, Tome.app. Imagine generating an entire pitch deck for your business or clients in just one click. Tome not only generates headings and descriptive paragraphs, but also creates visuals tailored to your topic. Though still in beta, Tome is on track to become a leading AI tool. Pictory.ai is causing a stir with its ability to turn written scripts or blog posts into high-quality videos. Stand out from the crowd by quickly transforming your ideas into captivating visuals with automatic captions and voiceovers. Explore its various templates, change text and style, and add background music to make your content shine. Perfect for those planning to start a faceless YouTube channel, Pictory.ai saves you both time and money. Clipdrop.co. Our next pick offers an array of AI tools in a user-friendly ecosystem. 2 standout tools, Relight and Cleanup, are entirely free. Relight lets you add artificial lighting to any image, adjusting settings to your liking. Meanwhile, Cleanup allows you to effortlessly remove unwanted objects, people, or text from your pictures in seconds. Simple, effective, and free. Clipdrop.co is a must-try. Animated Drawings is our 5th pick, a tool that adds a touch of magic to your drawings by bringing them to life through animation. It's 100% free, requires no registration, and offers various animation categories, perfect for those seeking a creative and unique way to enhance their visual content. Talk to Books by Google is our 6th recommendation, a free tool that lets you browse passages from millions of books using AI. This tool is a goldmine for research, allowing you to find relevant information on any topic quickly. Save time and elevate your content by tapping into the vast resources available through Talk to Books. Closing our list is Once Upon a Bot, an AI tool designed to help you effortlessly create original stories on any topic. With customizable options for story topic, writing style, art style, and narrator, you can generate complete stories with original content and illustrations in just a few clicks. It's storytelling made easy and mind-blowing. Now that we've delved into the remarkable capabilities of these 7 AI tools, it's time to explore how you can turn these innovations into income streams. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or freelancer, each tool opens doors to unique opportunities for monetization. From crafting captivating visuals and pitch decks to providing tailored content services, the potential for earning money through these AI tools is vast. Number 1. Runway ML for creative content services. With Runway ML's diverse set of AI tools, content creators can offer creative services to businesses and individuals. Whether it's designing customized portraits, creating visually stunning images, or even providing video editing services with background removal, Content creators can market themselves as AI-powered creative professionals. By showcasing the versatility of Runway ML, freelancers can attract clients seeking unique and cutting-edge content. Number 2. Tome app for effortless pitch deck creation. Entrepreneurs and business consultants can leverage Tome.app to offer pitch deck creation services. With Tome's ability to generate comprehensive pitch decks in a single click, professionals can cater to businesses in need of visually appealing presentations. By positioning themselves as experts in AI-driven pitch deck creation, individuals can offer their services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, attracting businesses looking to make a strong visual impact in their presentations. Number 3. Pictory.ai for faceless YouTube channel monetization. Individuals aspiring to start a faceless YouTube channel can use Pictory.ai to transform written scripts into engaging videos. This opens up opportunities for monetization through YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By consistently producing quality content using Pictory.ai, content creators can build a niche audience and explore revenue streams associated with popular YouTube channels. Number 4. Clipdrop.co for image enhancing services. Freelancers can capitalize on Clipdrop.co's relight and cleanup tools to provide image enhancement services. Businesses and individuals often require visually appealing images for websites, marketing materials, or social media. By offering services that enhance lighting, remove unwanted elements, and refine images, freelancers can position themselves as experts in AI-powered image editing. This can be marketed on platforms like Etsy or through personal websites. Number 5. Animated drawings for custom animation services. Artists and animators can utilize animated drawings to offer custom animation services. By bringing static drawings to life through animation, individuals can attract clients seeking unique and captivating animations for their projects. This could include animated logos, social media content, or even explainer videos. Freelancers can market their services on platforms like Freelancer or create a personal website to showcase their portfolio. Number 6. Talk2Books for content creation research. Writers, bloggers, and content creators can use Talk2Books to streamline their research process. Offering content creation services with in-depth and well-researched articles, blog posts, or academic content can be a lucrative venture. By marketing their ability to harness AI for efficient and thorough research, individuals can position themselves as valuable resources for businesses or individuals looking for high-quality written content. Number 7. Once Upon a Bot for custom storytelling services. Entrepreneurs and creative writers can utilize Once Upon a Bot to offer custom storytelling services. By generating original stories with unique content and illustrations, individuals can cater to businesses or individuals seeking captivating narratives for their brand or project. This service can be marketed on platforms like Patreon, where creators can offer exclusive, personalized storytelling content to subscribers. These AI tools are here to redefine your content creation journey. Experiment with them, discover what works best for you, and stay tuned for more insights. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos, and share your favorite tool in the comments section below. Until next time, happy creating!